Very good morning to all of you students. Welcome to the mathematics class. In this session, we will discuss chapter number 6 of class 12, and the name of the chapter is indeterminate form. That means those forms which cannot be defined very easily. They are called indeterminate form. Clear student? This is important and a small chapter. So you can understand this chapter very easily, and one question is generally asked in the board examination, and this is also important for the competitive exams. Clear students? Okay. So first of all, I want to tell you what is indeterminate form. Student, there are some form like 0 by 0, infinite, infinite, minus infinite, infinite upon infinite, 1 to the power infinite. So these forms are known as indeterminate form, or you can say that not defined form. So they cannot be defined. So in order to solve the questions when they are given in such forms, we have some special rules, and the chapter is generally depend on the properties of such types of functions. Clear? So for solving such types of questions, we have a rule which is known as L'Hospital rule. So when functions are given in not defined form, then we have to use L'Hospital rule for finding the accurate value of such type of function. So in order to use L'Hospital rule, we have to learn differentiation. And in the previous chapter, we discussed very strongly differentiation and continuity. So I think you all understand all the formulas, all the functions, all the methods of differentiation. So you can easily solve the questions of this chapter. Clear? Okay, student. So students, see some questions. Example number 1 is x to the power 4 minus 256 upon x to the power 2 minus 16, and given limit x tends to 4. It means that if you put x is equal to 4 in the given function, then you will find 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form, that means not defined form. So it means that the function is not defined, so we can use here L'Hospital. Now by the L'Hospital, you can differentiate numerator and denominator. So on differentiating x to the power 4, we get 4x to the power 3, and differentiation of 256 is 0. In the same way, x square will be 2x minus 0. So we get 32. It means that the value of the function at x equals to 4 is 32, while the function is not defined. Clear? Okay, student. Now take another example. Limit x tends to pi by 4, 1 minus tan x upon cos 2x. Now differentiate 1, so it will be 0. Differentiation of tan x will be sec square x, minus differentiation of cos 2x is sin 2x, and the differentiation of 2x is 2. So we get sec square x upon 2 sin into 2x. Now you can easily put x is equal to pi by 4 because function is defined. So put sec square pi by 4 upon 2 sin pi by 4, and we know that sec pi by 4 means 45 degree. It will be root 2 square and 2 into 1. Clear? So with the help of L'Hospital, you can solve those questions which are not solved by the simple rule because they are not defined. So with the help of L'Hospital rule, you can easily solve such types of problems. Okay, student. Take another example. Next example is limit x tends to 0 sin x minus x upon 1 plus 6 x cube upon x cube. So if you put x is equal to 0, then you will get 0 upon 0 because sin 0 is 0, x is also 0, and x cube will be 0 upon x cube is also 0. That means 0 by 0, and 0 by 0 is a not defined form. Clear? Okay, students. Now differentiate. So we get cos x minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 into x square upon 3x square. Now again differentiate, because if we put value x equals to 0, then again we get 0 by 0 form, because denominator is x square, so we have to remove x square from denominator. That means we have to use here L'Hospital 3 times. Clear? So minus sin x plus x upon 6x. Again differentiating, we get minus cos x plus 1 upon 6. So it will be 0. 0 is a defined form. Clear, students? Okay. So student, with the help of L'Hospital, you can solve any question. Okay, take another example. The next example is limit x tends to 1, 1 plus log x minus x upon 1 minus 2x plus x square. So first of all differentiate. So on differentiating we get 1 means 0, 1 upon x minus 1 upon 0 minus 2 plus 2. Clear? Okay students. So now on differentiating we get limit x tends to 1, 0 plus 1 by x minus 1 upon 0 minus 2 plus 2x. So finally again differentiating and taking LCM, we get 1 minus x upon minus 2x in bracket 1 minus x. Clear? Now so student put the value and we get the required answer. Now student, exercise 6.1 is just depend on the L'Hospital rule. You can see any question and you can solve any question with the help of L'Hospital. There are some questions and all are important questions. Here this is important question, this is also important question, this is also important question. So you can solve these important questions with the help of L'Hospital, because if the function is not defined, then you will have to only differentiate numerator and denominator. Clear? Okay, student. Now, the second part is indeterminate form, and we also use the L'Hospital, but the form is different. In the first case, we use the form 0 by 0, but here the form should be infinite minus infinite or 0 into infinite. They are also not defined form. Clear? And we use simply L'Hospital rule. Okay, see example. Limit x tends to pi by 2 tan x upon tan 3x. Here if you put x is equal to pi by 2, then you will get infinite by infinite, because tan 90 is infinite and the multiple of tan 90, 3 into tan 90 is also infinite. So infinite by infinite form. Simply differentiate it. So we get limit x tends to 2 sec square x upon sec square 3x into 3. Further, we get cos square 3x upon 3 cos square x, converting sec square into cos square. And then we get 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, because it is the formula of cos 3x upon 3 cos square x. Now put the values and we get the final result is the final result will be 3. Clear? So student, these are the examples which have the form infinite by infinite or infinite minus infinite form. Clear? Okay, students. So the next exercise 6.2 is based on two forms, infinite by infinite or infinite minus infinite form. Clear? So this is your homework and you have to solve the question of this exercise by watching the video and examples. Okay, students? Now student, there are also some other forms like indeterminate form are 0 to the power 0, infinite to the power 0, 1 to the power infinite. they all are also not defined form. Clear? Okay, student. See some example here. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 plus x to the power x. And such type of question, if you put x equals to 0, then you will get 0 to the power 0. And this is not defined form, then you will take here log. So taking log both sides, you will get log fx is equal to x into log x by the property of log x to the power n. Clear? Now it becomes x into log x. Now you can write here limit x tends to 0 log x upon 1 by x. Now differentiate means taking using L'Hospital rule, and differentiate you will get limit x tends to 0 minus x, it means 0. So finally you will get e to the power 0, because we know that e to the power 0 is equal to 1. So the result will be 1. Clear? Okay. Take another example. See, the new example is, let fx is a function which is given 2 minus x to the power x upon c in bracket tan pi x upon 2c. So here we have to take log both sides. So log fx is equal to log tan pi x upon 2c into log 2 minus x upon c by using the property log m to the power n. Clear? Now taking limit x tends to c, we get limit x tends to c tan pi x upon 2c log 2 minus x upon c. Now you can write here by such a way, limit x tends to c log 2 minus x upon c upon cot pi x upon 2c, because cot is the reciprocal of tan. Clear? Okay. Now using L'Hospital rule and differentiate, we get limit x tends to c 2 minus x upon c in bracket minus cosec square x pi x upon 2c into pi upon 2c. Okay students, now adjusting the term and write sine square pi x upon 2c upon 2 minus x upon c. If you put x equals to c, then you will get 2 upon pi into 1 upon 2 minus 1. That means 2 upon pi, and 2 upon pi is a defined form. Clear? So you will get finally log in bracket limit x tends to c fx is equal to 2 upon pi. It means that e to the power 2 upon pi. So the solution will be e to the power 2 upon pi. Clear student? So the next exercise is 6.3, and in this exercise you will solve the questions which are related to the form 0 by 0, 0 by infinite, and you can solve the questions of this exercise by watching the video and solving the examples very well. Clear? So student, this is your homework. Do questions of exercise 6.3 and revise the whole chapter very well. Clear? Okay students, thank you very much.